Practice set. Question 1. Pick out the verbs and state their tense. Number 1. Her mother died when she was quite young. Answer. Died was past tense, simple. Number 2. He slept well last night. Slept, past tense, simple. 3. She will learn to write English in a year. Will learn, future tense, simple. 4. The cat lay on the floor. Lay, past tense, simple. 5. We go to school at 10 o'clock. Go, present tense, simple. 6. I met her last Friday. Met, past tense, simple. 7. I spent the afternoon at the tuition center. Spend, present tense, simple. 8. A mad elephant killed the baby. Killed, past tense, simple. 9. An aeroplane flies in the air. Flies, present tense, simple. 10. I have lost my pen. Have lost, present tense, perfect. 11. The light has gone out. Has gone out, present tense, perfect. 12. I know his father and mother. Know, present tense, simple. 13. He never tells a lie. Tells, present tense, simple. 14. The peon rings the bell. Rings, present tense, simple. 15. He wore black shirt. Wore, past tense, simple. 16. The dog barked at night. Barked, past tense, simple. 17. She went to Mumbai yesterday. Went, past tense, simple. 18. Mohan failed in class 10th last year. Failed, past tense, simple. 19. I shall go to Jamshedpur tomorrow. Shall go, future tense, simple. 20. I forget his name. Forget, present tense, simple. Question 1 completed. Question 2. Change the verbs into past tense in these sentences. Number 1. I never tell a lie. Answer. I never told a lie. 2. Ramita Devi spins daily. Ramita Devi span daily. 3. He takes coffee after meals. He took coffee after meals. 4. He knows my father and mother. He knew my father and mother. 5. Veena sweeps her room every day. Veena swept her room every day. 6. Lata sings sweetly. Lata sang sweetly. 7. Mr. Thakur speaks the truth. Mr. Thakur spoke the truth. 8. He leaves school at 4 o'clock. He left school at 4 o'clock. 9. The hunter shoots a wild animal. The hunter shot a wild animal. 10. The hen lays 5 eggs. The hen laid 5 eggs. 11. He hits me. He hit me. 12. The Indian team wins almost every match. The Indian team won almost every match. 13. She lies down and sleeps. She lay down and slept. 14. He drinks tea every morning. He drank tea every morning. 15. The crow crows. Answer. The crow crowed. 16. He writes a letter. He wrote a letter. 17. She gets up early in the morning. She got up early in the morning. 18. A cold wind blows. A cold wind blew. 19. The leaves fall to the ground. The leaves fell to the ground. 20. She works hard for the examination. She worked hard for the examination. Question 2 completed. Question 3. Change the verbs into past continuous tense in these sentences. Number 1. The boys sing songs. The boys were singing songs. 2. He wrote a novel. He was writing a novel. 3. Birds build nests in trees. Birds were building nests in trees. 4. He did his work. He was doing his work. 5. He swims very well. He was swimming very well. 6. The old man sits in the sun. The old man was sitting in the sun. 7. He wears a red cap. He was wearing a red cap. 8. The naughty student teases his teacher. The naughty student was teasing his teacher. 9. He read the Ramayana. He was reading the Ramayana. 10. She knits a sweater. She was knitting a sweater. Question 3 completed. Question 4. Rewrite these sentences changing the verbs into present or past perfect tense. Number 1. The parrot flies out of the cage. The parrot has flown out of the cage. Present perfect tense. The parrot had flown out of the cage. Past perfect tense. 2. She solved the sum correctly. She has solved the sum correctly. Present perfect tense. She had solved the sum correctly. Past perfect tense. 3. I try hard and succeed. I have tried hard and succeeded. Present perfect tense. I had tried hard and succeeded. Past perfect tense. 4. They heard a fictitious story. They have heard a fictitious story. Present perfect tense. They had heard a fictitious story. Past perfect tense. 5. The girls are playing hockey. The girls have played hockey. Present perfect tense. The girls had played hockey. Past perfect tense. 6. The crows fly over the house. The crows have flown over the house. Present perfect tense. 7. He writes a letter. He has written a letter. Present perfect tense. He had written a letter. Past perfect tense. 9. 8. You eat an apple. Answer. You have eaten an apple. Present perfect tense. You had eaten an apple. Past perfect tense. 9. They do their work. They have done their work. Present perfect tense. They had done their work. Past perfect tense. 10. Rahim works hard. Rahim has worked hard. Present perfect tense. Rahim had worked hard. Past perfect tense. Question 4 completed. Question 5. Supply the correct form of the given verbs. Number 1. Good students always dash hard. Within bracket, work. Answer. Good students always work hard. Number 2. He usually dash Bhojpuri. Speak. Answer. Speaks. He usually speaks Bhojpuri. 3. Mother always dash food in the kitchen. Cook. Answer. Cooks. Mother always cooks food in the kitchen. 4. A vegetarian is a person who never dash meat. Within bracket, eat. Answer. A vegetarian is a person who never eats meat. 5. They dash to the hill station for a month every summer. Go. Answer. They go to the hill station for a month every summer. 6. An honest man always dash the truth. Speak. An honest man always speaks the truth. 7. My beloved often dash me in the evening. Visit. My beloved often visits me in the evening. 8. She rarely dash out for a walk on Sundays. Go. She rarely goes out for a walk on Sundays. 9. You sometimes dash late to the office. Come. Answer. You sometimes come late to the office. Page 177. 10. There are some birds that dash every year. Migrate. Answer. Migrate. There are some birds that migrate every year. 11. Your elder brother never dash coffee. Within bracket, drink. Your elder brother never drinks coffee. 12. Mr. Thakur usually dash up at 4 o'clock every morning. Get. Mr. Thakur usually gets up at 4 o'clock every morning. 13. Death dash to everyone sooner or later. Come. Death come to everyone sooner or later. 14. Aditya dash his hands before every meal. Wash. Aditya washes his hand before every meal. 15. My father dash tea, but my mother dash coffee. Take, prefer. My father takes tea, but my mother prefers coffee. 16. The soul dash immortal, within bracket B. The soul is immortal. 17. This road dash from Vikas Colony to Kumahara Gumti. Run. Answer. This road runs from Vikas Colony to Kumarhar Gomti. 18. We dash by the 6 a.m. train. Leave. We leave by the 6 a.m. train. 19. The Chief Minister dash tomorrow morning and dash the exhibition in the evening. Arrive. Open. The Chief Minister arrives tomorrow morning and opens the exhibition in the evening. 20. Balbir dash for Sri Lanka next Monday. Leave. Answer. Balbir leaves for Sri Lanka next Monday. 21. The sun dash in the east and dash in the west. Rise, set. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. 22. School dash again on January 5th. Start. School starts again on January 5th. 23. Aditi Priya dash her teeth every morning. Brush. Aditi Priya brushes her teeth every morning. 24. The earth dash round the sun. Move. Answer. The earth moves round the sun. 25. We dash with our eyes, dash with our ears, and dash with our noses. See, hear, smell. Answer. We see with our eyes, hear with our ears, and smell with our noses. Question 5 completed. Question 6. Fill in the blanks with the simple or the continuous form of the present tense of the verb given in brackets. Number 1. Don't make a noise. The child dash now. Within bracket, sleep. Don't make a noise. The child is sleeping now. 2. It dash in July. It dash now. Rain. It rains in July. It is raining now. 3. Our publisher generally dash Hindi, but today he dash English. Speak. Our publisher speaks English, but today he is speaking English. My wife and I dash to the cinema every Saturday. Go. My wife and I go to the cinema every Saturday. 5. His mother dash some food in the kitchen at present. His mother is cooking some food in the kitchen at present. 6. He dash because he is hungry now. Cry. He is crying because he is hungry now. 7. She dash at this moment. Read. She is reading at this moment. 8. The workmen dash the road near our house. Repair. The workmen are repairing the road near our house. 9. The boys dash in the river. Swim. The boys are swimming in the river. 10. The clouds dash across the sky. Move. The clouds are moving across the sky. 11. He dash a newspaper now. Read. He is reading a newspaper now. 12. My watch dash good time. Keep. My watch keeps good time. 13. Fortune dash the brave. Favor. Fortune favors the brave. 14. When does the college dash? Reopen. When does the college reopen? 15. He dash David Copperfield. Read. He is reading David Copperfield. 16. My brother dash tomorrow. Arrive. My brother is arriving tomorrow. 17. We dash to the cinema tonight. Go. We are going to the cinema tonight. 18. Don't disturb me. I dash my homework. Do. Don't disturb me. I'm doing my homework. 19. What is the matter with Veena? She dash in the chair and dash. Sit, cry. What is the matter with Veena? She is sitting in the chair and crying. 20. My dog dash a lot. but he isn't dash at the moment. Bark. My dog barks a lot, but he isn't barking at the moment. 21. She dash to Patna next week. Come. She's coming to Patna next week. 22. A notice at the end of the road dash people not to go any further. Warn. A notice at the end of the road warns people not to go any further. 23. When the curtain dash, Juliet dash at her desk, suddenly the window dash and a masked man dash. When the curtain rises, Juliet is writing at her desk. Suddenly, the window opens and a masked man enters. 24. Are you dash anything tomorrow afternoon? Do. Are you doing anything tomorrow afternoon? 25. The director dash the applicants this morning. See. The director is seeing the applicants this morning. Question 6 completed. Question 7. Supply the correct form of the past tense of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 1. It dash when we dash the station. Rain, reach. It was raining when we reached the station. 2. My wife dash tea while I dash a book. Prepare, write. My wife was preparing tea while I was writing a book. 3. When we dash, they dash dinner. Arrive, have. When we arrived, they were having dinner. 4. Large crowds dash at the station when the railway minister dash. Wait, arrive. Large crowds were waiting at the station when the railway minister arrived. 5. I dash his letter a week ago. Receive. I received his letter a week ago. 6. He dash school last year. Leave. He left the school last year. 7. He dash English in Patna. He learnt English in Patna. 8. We dashed to the radio all evening. Listen. We were listening to the radio all evening. 9. The light dash put while I dash. Go read. The light went out while I was reading. 11. When I dash her, she dash hockey. See play. When I saw her, she was playing hockey. 11. He was always dash, grumble. He was always grumbling. 12. Babar dash Rana Sanga at Kanwaha. Defeat. Babar defeated Rana Sanga at Kanwaha. 13. When I dash out early this morning, the sun dash, set, shine. Answer. When I set out early this morning, the sun was shining. 14. His wife dashed her finger while she dashed the bread. Cut butter. Answer. His wife cut her finger while she was buttering the bread. 15. Don't talk while you dash your food. Eat. Answer. Don't talk while you were eating your food. 16. Naresh, his wife and children dashed to see us only 10 minutes ago. Come. Answer. Came. Naresh, his wife and children came to see us only 10 minutes ago. 17. Alexander dash India 2000 years ago. Invade. Answer. Invaded. Alexander invaded India 2000 years ago. 18. When I dash him, he dash and dash a cigarette at the same time. See, sing, smoke. When I saw him, he was singing and smoking a cigarette at the same time. 19. When she dashed to the radio last night, she dashed a loud sound. Listen, hear. When she was listening to the radio last night, she heard a loud sound. 20. A young beautiful girl dash off the train while it dash, jump, run. A young beautiful girl jumped off the train while it was running. 21. Whenever she dash Mumbai, she dashed to see the gateway of India. Visit, go. Answer, visited, went. Whenever she visited Mumbai, she went to see the gateway of India. 22. It dashed half an hour ago. Rain. Answer, rained. It rained half an hour ago. 23. My son dashed his homework while his mother dashed the lunch. Finish, cook. My son finished his homework while his mother was cooking the lunch. 24. From morning till late at night yesterday, he dashed the Mahabharata. Read. Answer, from morning till late at night yesterday, he was reading the Mahabharata. 25. She dashed her fees yesterday. Pay. Answer, she paid her fees yesterday. Question 7 completed. Question 8. Insert in the blank spaces in the sentences here the past or the present perfect tense of the verb given in the brackets. Number 1. We dash each other for the past 5 years. Know. K-N-O-W. Answer, have known. We have known each other for the past 5 years. 2. He dash never dashed alcoholic liquor. Drink. Answer, has drunk. He has never drunk alcoholic liquor. 3. Our publisher dash a new car. Purchase. Our publisher has purchased a new car. 4. I dashed the Golghar. See. Answer, I have seen the Golghar. 5. I dash my dinner. Have. Answer, I have had my dinner. 6. He dashed for 8 hours. Sleep. He slept for 8 hours. 9. My grandmother dash 8 years ago. Die. My grandmother died 8 years ago. 10. The train dash just now. Arrive. The train has arrived just now. 11. Someone dashed the chair. Break. Answer, someone has broken the chair. 12. He dashed that film last week. See. He saw that film last week. 13. I suppose you dashed the latest news. Pintu dash Kavita yesterday. Here, Mary. Answer, have heard, married. I suppose you have heard the latest news. Pintu married Kavita yesterday. 14. When he dash here, she dash asleep in her chair. See, sit. Answer, saw, was sitting. When he saw here, she was sitting asleep in her chair. 15. He dashed her letter a few days ago, but he dashed not dash to as yet. Receive, reply. Answer, received, has replied. He received her letter a few days ago, but he has not replied to it as yet. Question 8 completed. Question 9. Supply the correct past tense of the verbs in brackets. Number 1. The rain dash when she dashed to see me. Stop, come. Answer, had stopped, came. The rain had stopped when she came to see me. Number 2. I dash my work when Raman dashed to see her. Finish, come. Answer, had finished, came. I had finished my work when Raman came to see her. 3. The patient dash before the doctor dash. Die, arrive. Answer, had died, arrived. The patient had died before the doctor arrived. 4. The train dash before we dash the station. Leave, reach. Answer, the train had left before we reached the station. 5. He dashed for a walk after he dashed his dinner. Go, eat. Answer, went, had eaten. He went for a walk after he had eaten his dinner. 6. The sun dashed before we set out. Rise. Answer, the sun had risen before we set out. 7. He died after he dashed ill for a long time. B. Answer, he died after he had been ill for a long time. 8. My daughter dash all the fruit before I dash back. Eat, get. Answer. Had eaten, got. My daughter had eaten all the fruit before I got back. 9. My father dashed to see me only a month ago. Come. My father came to see me only a month ago. 10. They dash home after they dash their work. Go, finish. Answer. Went, had finished. They went home after they had finished their work. Question 9 completed. Question 10. Insert the correct form of the present perfect continuous tense form of the verb given in brackets. Number 1. It dash since 10 o'clock. Within bracket, rain. Answer. Has been raining. It has been raining since 10 o'clock. 2. He dash here for almost half an hour. Wait. He has been waiting for almost half an hour. 3. The doorbell dash for the past 5 minutes. Ring. Answer. The doorbell has been ringing for past 5 minutes. 4. They dash here since 7 o'clock this morning. Play. They have been playing since 7 o'clock this morning. 5. Mr. Thakur dash in Patna since August 1999. Live. Mr. Thakur has been living in Patna since August 1989. 6. I dash in the post office for 5 years. Work. I have been working in the post office for 5 years. Page 178. 7. He is tired because he dash in the garden since 8 o'clock. Dig. He has been digging in the garden since 8 o'clock. 8. How long dash you dash for her? Wait. Answer. How long have you been waiting for her? 9. Since when dash the students dash the match? Play. Answer. Since when have the students been playing the match? 10. We dash our lessons for 2 hours. Learn. Answer. We have been learning our lessons for 2 hours. Question 10 completed. Question 11. Fill in the blanks with for or since. Number 1. He has been reading this book dash the last 3 years. Answer. He has been reading this book for the last 3 years. 2. My younger brother has been sleeping dash 8 hours. My younger brother has been sleeping for 8 hours. 3. My wife has been working dash 5 o'clock this morning. My wife has been working since 5 o'clock this morning. 4. They have not been here dash 2 weeks. They have not been here for 2 weeks. 5. Your classmate has been ill dash a long time. Your classmate has been ill for a long time. 6. It has been raining dash yesterday morning. It has been raining since yesterday morning. 7. I have been writing this book dash last November. I have been writing this book since last November. 8. We have been waiting here dash an hour and a half. We have been waiting here for an hour and a half. 9. Mr. Thakur has been living in this town dash August 1989. Mr. Thakur has been living in this town since August 1989. 10. I have not seen her dash the past 6 months. I have not seen her for the past 6 months. 11. The publisher has not seen me dash Sunday. The publisher has not seen me since Sunday. 12. At that time he had been writing a book dash 4 months. At that time he had been writing a book for 4 months. 13. When Mr. Tandon came to the school in 2000, Mr. Jha had already been teaching there dash 5 years. When Mr. Tandon came to the school in 2000, Mr. Jha had already been teaching there for 5 years. 14. By next October they will have been living here dash the last 2 years. By next October they will have been living here for the last 2 years. 15. You have been here dash Monday. You have been here since Monday. 16. I left college in 1993. He hasn't seen me dash. I left college in 1993. He hasn't seen me since. 17. He has worked for us ever dash he left school. He has worked for us ever since he left school. 18. He travelled in the desert dash a long period. He travelled in the desert for a long period. 19. She has been learning music dash 2 months. She has been learning music for 2 months. 20. Shweta has been studying in Patna Women's College dash last year. Shweta has been studying in Patna Women's College since last year. 21. You have been learning English grammar dash many days. You have been learning English grammar for many days. 22. She has been playing carom dash morning. She has been playing carom since morning. 23. The parcel has been lying here dash several days. The parcel has been lying here for several days. 24. My mother had been fasting dash 4 weeks when the doctor came. My mother had been fasting for 4 weeks when the doctor came. 25. They have lived in Mumbai dash 1990. They have lived in Mumbai since 1990. Question 11 completed. He will go to the cinema tomorrow. Number 2. My son dash 5 next June. B. My son will be 5 next June. 3. I dash for her when she returns home. Wait. I shall be waiting for her when she returns home. 4. He dashed this exercise by 8 o'clock. Finish. He will have finished this exercise by 8 o'clock. 5. You dash your father before I see you again. Meet. Answer. You will have met your father before I see you again. 6. Nobody dash anything from you when you go home this afternoon. Take. Nobody will have taken anything from you when you go home this afternoon. 7. He dashed the station before the train starts. Reach. He will have reached the station before the train starts. 8. They dash preparations for the marriage for 3 months. Make. They will have been making preparations for the marriage for 3 months. 9. You dash English for 3 years by the end of this year. Learn. You will have been learning English for 3 years by the end of this year. 10. I dash in Kolkata for 6 years by the end of this month. Live. I shall have been living in Kolkata for 6 years by the end of this month. Question 12 completed. Question 13. Fill in the blanks with suitable forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Number 1. He dashed to college every day. Within bracket, goes, going. Answer, goes. He goes to college every day. Number 2. My younger brother dashed to Mumbai last month. Go, went. Answer, went. My younger brother went to Mumbai last month. 3. He dashed from fever since last night. Has suffered, has been suffering. Answer, he has been suffering from fever since last night. 4. He dashed just now. Has arrived, arrived. Answer, he has arrived just now. 5. I dash working for 2 hours. Have been, am. Answer, I have been working for 2 hours. 6. I dash in Patna since 1993. Have lived, lived. I have lived in Patna since 1993. 7. The Mughals dashed the Battle of Panipat. Have won, won. The Mughals won the Battle of Panipat. 8. Stephenson dashed the steam engine. Has invented, invented. Answer, invented. Stephenson invented the steam engine. 9. Mahatma Gandhi dash in 1948. Has died, died. Answer, Mahatma Gandhi died in 1948. 10. She dashed before her husband came. Had died, died. Answer, had died. She had died before her husband came. 11. The train had left before they dashed the station. Reached, will reach. Answer, reached. The train had left before they reached the station. 12. They will play cricket if the principal dash them. Allows, allowed. Answer, allows. They will play cricket if the principal allows them. 13. He dash a letter yet. Has not written. Did not write. Answer, has not written. He has not written a letter yet. 14. When I dash my work, I shall take rest. Finished, finish. Answer, when I finish my work, I shall take rest. 15. He told me that she dashed for 7 days. Had been ill, was ill. Answer, had been ill. He told me that she had been ill for 7 days. 16. Bhavna will have reached home before the sun dash. Will set, sets. Answer, sets. Bhavna will have reached home before the sun sets. 17. Ajit and Rekha dashed to the cinema last night. Have gone, went. Answer, went. Ajit and Rekha went to the cinema last night. 18. It dashed for 5 hours. Has been raining, is raining. Answer, it has been raining for 5 hours. 19. 5 plus 5 dash 10. Make, makes. Answer, makes. 5 plus 5 makes 10. 20. My elder daughter dash born in 2002. Was, is. Answer, was. My elder daughter was born in 2002. 21. I dashed the Red Fort. Have never seen, never saw. Answer, I have never seen the Red Fort. 22. Does he dash fast? Answer, run, runs. Answer, run. Does he run fast? 23. The earth dash round the sun. Moved, moves. Answer, moves. The earth moves round the sun. 24. Who dashed the Taj Mahal? Builds, built. Answer, built. Who built the Taj Mahal? 25. She dashed that film already. Has been, saw. Answer, has seen. She has seen that film already. 26. How did they dash to Yajuar? Come, came. Answer, come. How did they come to Yajuar? 27. Tendulkar generally dash very well. Plays, played. Answer, plays. Tendulkar generally plays very well. 28. But today he dash very badly. Is playing, plays. Answer is playing. But today he is playing very badly. 29. The sun dash in the east. Rises, rose. The sun rises in the east. 30. I was born in 1972. I first dashed to college in 1986. Had gone, went. Answer, went. I was born in 1972. I first went to college in 1986. 31. Ice dash at 0 degrees Celsius. Melts is meeting. Answer, melts. Ice melts at 0 degrees Celsius. 32. By this time tomorrow I dash home. Shall reach, shall have reached. Answer, shall have reached. By this time tomorrow I shall have reached home. 33. All that dash is not gold. Glitters is glittering. Answer, all that glitters is not gold. 34. Columbus dash America. Had discovered, discovered. Answer, discovered. Columbus discovered America. 35. He dash absent for a long time. Is, has been. Answer, has been. He has been absent for a long time. 36. I saw her when she dashed for the bus. Waited, was waiting. Answer, was waiting. I saw her when she was waiting for the bus. 37. The lion dashed by Anoop. Was killed, killed. Answer, was killed. The lion was killed by Anoop. 38. Did you dash her? See, saw. Answer, see. Did you see her? 39. I dashed college before the bell rang. Reached, had reached. Answer, had reached. I had reached college before the bell rang. 40. My father-in-law dash for Patna next week. Leaves, left. Answer, leaves. My father-in-law leaves for Patna next week. 41. The Prime Minister dash here tomorrow. Comes, came. Answer, comes. The Prime Minister comes here tomorrow. 42. While I was reading, my daughter dash was crying, cried. Answer, was crying. While I was reading, my daughter was crying. 43. My father dash up at 4 o'clock every day. Gets is getting. Answer, gets. My father gets up at 4 o'clock every day. 44. I wish I dashed the Chief Minister of Bihar. Was, were. Answer, were. I wish I were the Chief Minister of Bihar. 45. When I reached the station, the train dash left. Has, had. Answer, had. When I reached the station, the train had left. 46. If you dash here, I shall teach you. Come, will come. Answer, come. If you come here, I shall teach you. 47. Binay dash a prose now. Reads, is reading. Answer, is reading. Binay is reading a prose now. 48. He dash just dash out. Has gone, goes. Answer, has gone. He has just gone out. 49. Hard work dash success. Brings, brought. Answer, brings. Hard work brings success. 50. If I dash a king, I would be happy. Was, were. Answer, were. If I were a king, I would be happy. 51. My brother dash 25 next year. Will be, is. Answer, will be. My brother will be 25 next year. 52. His daughter dashed to the zoo every Sunday. Goes, went. Answer, goes. His daughter goes to the zoo every Sunday. 53. Oil dash on water. Floats, floated. Answer, floats. Oil floats on water. 54. The school dash in July every year. Will reopen, reopens. Answer, reopens. The school reopens in July every year. 55. It is time we dash playing cricket. Started, were starting. Answer, started. It is time we started playing cricket. 56. I don't know who dash her up. Bring, brought. Answer, brought. I don't know who brought her up. 57. If you dash hard, you will succeed. Work, will work. Answer, work. If you work hard, you will succeed. 58. At present, he dashed to his teacher. Talks, is talking. Answer, is talking. At present, he is talking to his teacher. 59. Newton dashed the laws of gravitation. Discovered, had discovered. Answer, discovered. Newton discovered the laws of gravitation. 60. She dashed for a walk every morning. Goes, went. Answer, goes. She goes for a walk every morning. 61. Mr. U. Jha dash a newspaper daily. Is reading, reads. Answer, reads. Mr. Jha reads a newspaper daily. 62. By the end of this year, she dash in the office for 14 years. Will have been working, will be working. Answer, will have been working. By the end of this year, she will have been working in the office for 14 years. 63. You dash heard about the assassination of Mrs. Gandhi. Will have, had. Answer, will have. You will have heard about the assassination of Mrs. Gandhi. Page 179. 64. The police dash the robbers by next year. Will have caught, will catch. Answer, the police will have caught the robbers by next year. 65. He dash doing this work till the end of this month. Will be, is. Answer, will be. he will be doing this work till the end of this month. 66. When he gets home, his children dash. Will be sleeping, will sleep. Answer, will be sleeping. When he gets home, his children will be sleeping. 67. At this time tomorrow, he dash a newspaper. Will be reading, will read. Answer, will be reading. At this time tomorrow, he will be reading a newspaper. 68. It dash to rain. Is going, goes. Answer, is going. It is going to rain. 69. He dash to die. Is, will. Answer, is. He is to die. 70. You dash to accept the challenge of time. Have, had. You have had to accept the challenge of time. 71. He dashed to his brother's house this afternoon. Is going, goes. He is going to his brother's house this afternoon. 72. Our examination dash in March. Is commencing, commence. Answer, commence. Our examination commences in March. 73. Veena dash to Mumbai next year. Goes, went. Answer, goes. Veena goes to Mumbai next year. 74. I dash a motorcycle when the price comes down. Shall buy, buy. Answer, shall buy. I shall buy a motorcycle when the price comes down. 75. She said that she dash walking for 2 hours. Has been, had been. Answer, had been. She said that she had been walking for 2 hours. 76. He said that he dash writing a novel. Had been, has been. Answer, had been. He said that he had been writing a novel. 77. Had the teacher not come, the students dash. Would have studied, studied. Answer, would have studied. Had the teacher not come, the students would have studied. 78. Mukesh said that he dashed to bring the textbook. Had forgotten, forgot. Answer, had forgotten. Mukesh said that he had forgotten to bring the textbook. 79. Shweta said that she dashed her book in the school. Had lost, lost. Answer, had lost. Shweta said that she had lost her book in the school. 80. The director had come out of the office before I dash. Arrived, arrive. Answer, arrived. The director had come out of the office before I arrived. 81. The students dashed before the teacher came. Had stood up, stood up. Had stood up. The students had stood up before the teacher came. 82. My father said that he dashed to Darbhanga. Is going, was going. Answer, was going. My father said that he was going to Darbhanga. 83. My beloved said that she dashed for the UPSC examination. Was preparing, had been preparing. Answer, was preparing. My beloved said that she was preparing for the UPSC examination. 84. While I was writing this book, my daughter dash. Was weeping, wept. Answer, was weeping. While I was writing this book, my daughter was weeping. 85. While she was cooking, I dashed listening to the radio. Was, had been. Answer, was. While she was cooking, I was listening to the radio. 86. I dashed to my friends yesterday evening. Was talking, talked. Answer, was talking. I was talking to my friends yesterday evening. 87. The teacher said that labor never dash in vain. Goes, went. Answer, goes. The teacher said that labor never goes in vain. 88. He said that the sun dash in the west. Sets, set. Answer, sets. He said that the sun sets in the west. 89. Mr. Pandey said that he dashed to establish an institution. Wanted, wants. Answer, wanted. Mr. Pandey said that he wanted to establish an institution. 90. While Abhay dashed on the bed, a snake bit him. Was sleeping, slept. Answer, was sleeping. While Abhay was sleeping on the bed, a snake bit him. 91. While my wife was listening to the radio, I dash. Arrived. Answer, arrived. While my wife was listening to the radio, I arrived. 92. It is time he dashed to see the theatre. Goes, went. Answer, went. It is time he went to see the theatre. 93. He behaves as if he dash my boss. Was, were. Answer, were. He behaves as if he were my boss. 94. Mother Teresa dashed to help the helpless. Used, had used. Answer, used. Mother Teresa used to help the helpless. 95. He often dashed me to dinner. Invites, invited. Answer, invited. He often invited me to dinner. 96. I dashed some books on Tuesday last. Bought, buy. Answer, I bought some books on Tuesday last. 97. My uncle dashed a year ago. Died, dies. Answer, died. My uncle died a year ago. 98. Mr. Advani dashed to America last month. Goes, went. Answer, went. Mr. Advani went to America last month. 99. She dash yet. Has not come, did not come. Answer, has not come. She has not come yet. 100. The train dash already dash. Has left. The train has already left. 101. Monica and Sonika dash together for a long time. Have been living, have lived. Answer, have been living. Monica and Sonika have been living together for a long time. 102. He dashed the intermediate examination. Has passed, passed. Answer, has passed. He has passed the intermediate examination. Question 13 completed. Question 14. Rewrite the sentences after correcting errors. Number 1. She does not write to me for 2 weeks. Answer. She has not written to me for 2 weeks. 2. Vikas has been eating apples since he is a child. Answer. Vikas has been eating apples since he was a child. 3. You didn't yet see the governor. Answer. You haven't yet seen the governor. 4. He is away from school since August last. He has been away from school since August last. 5. He said that the college was closed since last Friday. He said that the college had been closed since last Friday. 6. 5 hours have passed since he had fallen asleep. 5 hours have passed since he fell asleep. 7. 8 years passed since his grandfather died. Answer. 8 years have passed since his grandfather died. 8. 2 months have passed since I have come here. 2 months have passed since I came here. 9. She is long known to me. Answer. She has been long known to me. 10. My father will reach there by this time tomorrow. Answer. My father will have reached there by this time tomorrow. 11. I'm sorry for the students who failed in the examination. I'm sorry for the students who have failed in the examination. 12. He will come when he will be ready. He will come when he is ready. 13. She will write as soon as she will arrive soon. She will write as soon as she arrives soon. 14. It's high time that you go home. It's high time, within bracket, that you went home. 15. It's time, within bracket, that we play cricket. It's time, within bracket, that we played cricket. 16. He is often asking himself questions. He often asks himself questions. 17. He is born in India. He was born in India. 18. She has been born in a town. Answer. She was born in a town. 19. If I was a king, I would be happy. Answer. If I were a king, I would be happy. 20. I finished my work just now. I have finished my work just now. 21. He was ill for 2 days when the doctor was sent for. Answer. He had been ill for 2 days when the doctor was sent for. 22. They come here a month ago. Answer. They came here a month ago. 23. She watches television now. She is watching television now. 24. The great reformer had died in 1948. The great reformer died in 1948. 25. We shall serve you if you will come. We shall serve you if you come. Question 14 completed. Question 15. Select the correct form of the verb shown in brackets in each sentence and write it in the brackets opposite. Number 1. He, A, went, B, has gone to Muzaffarpur yesterday. Answer. He went to Muzaffarpur yesterday. 2. She, A, is, B, has been doing her homework for an hour. Answer. She has been doing her homework for an hour. 3. I shall teach you if you, A, come, B, will come. Answer. A, come. I shall teach you if you come. 4. She, A, goes, B, is going to the cinema every Sunday. Answer. A, goes. She goes to the cinema every Sunday. 5. My grandmother, A, told, B, has told me a story just now. Answer. B, has told. My grandmother has told me a story just now. 6. The Rajdhani Express, A, has left, B, left an hour ago. Answer. B, left. The Rajdhani Express left an hour ago. 7. He felt that he, A, will, B, would resign his post. Answer. B, would. I felt that he would resign his post. 8. She had gone to college when I, A, had come, B, came to see her. Answer. B, came. She had gone to college when I came to see her. 9. The boys will play if the headmaster, A, allows, B, allowed them. Answer. A, allows. The boys will play if the headmaster allows them. 10. It, A, is raining, B, has been raining all day. Answer. B, has been raining. It has been raining all day. 11. He, A, had visited, B, visited us last week. Answer. B, visited. He visited us last week. 12. They, A, failed, B, have failed last year. Answer. A, failed. They failed last year. 13. I, A, am living, B, have been living here for a week. Answer. B, have been living. I have been living here for a week. 14. The train had left before they, A, reached, B, had reached the station. Answer. A, reached. The train had left before they reached the station. 15. He will have finished his work before I, A, come, B, shall come. Answer. A, come. He will have finished his work before I came. Come. 16. We, A, did not write, B, have not written the letter yet. Answer. B, have not written. We have not written the letter yet. Page 180. 17. I, A, didn't see, B, haven't seen him since we met a year ago. Answer. B, haven't seen. I haven't seen him since we met a year ago. 18. When we went to the cinema, the film, A, already started, B, had already started. Answer. B, had already started. When we went to the cinema, the film had already started. 19. Columbus, A, had discovered, B, discovered America. Answer. B, discovered. Columbus discovered America. 20. We, A, have finished, B, finished our breakfast half an hour ago. Answer. B, finished. We finished our breakfast half an hour ago. 21. He jumped off the bus while it, A, moved, B, was moving. Answer. B, was moving. He jumped off the bus while it was moving. 22. By this time tomorrow, he, A, will reach, B, will have reached home. Answer. B, will have reached. By this time tomorrow he will have reached home. 23. Here are your shoes. I, A, just cleaned. B, have just cleaned them. Answer B, have just cleaned. Here are your shoes. I have just cleaned them. 24. The servant had finished his work when I, A, called. B, had called him. Answer A, called. The servant had finished his work when I called him. 25. 5 years have passed since his mother, A, had died. B, died. Answer B, died. 5 years have passed since his mother died. Question 15 completed. Question 16. Find out the error part of these sentences. Number 1. If Manali had worked hard, she will have got the job she desired. Answer. Will have की जगह would have का प्रयोग होगा. If plus subject plus had plus MV3 plus within bracket comma plus subject plus would have plus MV3 plus object का प्रयोग होता है. If Manali had worked hard, she would have got the job she desired. 2. He told me that he wrote a letter to his superior for a certain reason. Answer. He wrote a letter की जगह he had written a letter का प्रयोग होगा. He told me that he had written a letter to his superior for a certain reason. 3. I am working at my present job since the day a son was born to my brother. I am working की जगह I have been working का प्रयोग होगा. I have been working at my present job since the day a son was born to my brother. 4. After Ravi read the magazines and newspapers and watched TV program, he decided to go out and meet some old friends. Read की जगह had read का प्रयोग होगा. Subject plus MV2 plus object plus after plus subject plus had plus MV3 plus object का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे The doctor came after the patient had died. Right. After the patient had died, the doctor came. Right. The doctor came after the patient died. Wrong. 5. His father would have been pleased to get him a wristwatch if he would have worked harder and secured higher marks in the university examination. Would have की जगह had का प्रयोग होगा. Read explanation number 1. His father would have been pleased to get him a wristwatch if he had worked harder and secured higher marks in the university examination. 6. When the doctors found that the player has taken prohibited medicines, he reported the matter to the team manager. Has taken की जगह had taken का प्रयोग होगा. क्योंकि प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज पास्ट टेंस में है, इसलिए सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज भी पास्ट टेंस में होगा. यहाँ पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस का प्रयोग उपयुक्त है. When the doctors found that the player had taken prohibited medicines, he reported the matter to the team manager. 7. As soon as the clock strike 5, they down tools and off they go. Answer. Strike की जगह strikes का प्रयोग होगा. As soon as the clock strikes 5, they down tools and off they go. 8. It had been our custom from immemorial time to be hospitable to those who come to our doors. Had been की जगह has been का प्रयोग होगा. Immemorial adjective का अर्थ स्मरण से बाहर, अति प्राचीन, beyond memory, very old होता है. It has been our custom from immemorial time to be hospitable to those who come to our doors. 9. I asked if she has looked everywhere and she said yes. Answer. Has की जगह had का प्रयोग होगा. I asked if she had looked everywhere and she said yes. 10. Had I realized that it was such a long way, I would take a taxi. Would take की जगह would have taken का प्रयोग होगा. Had I realized that it was a long way, I would have taken a taxi. 11. As he dived from the springboard, he was terrified to see that the water was drained from the pool the previous night. Answer. Was की जगह had been का प्रयोग होगा. As he dived from the springboard, he had been terrified to see that the water was drained from the pool the previous night. 12. As I am suffering from fever since morning, I shall not be able to attend the function you are going to organize this evening. I am suffering की जगह I have been suffering का प्रयोग होगा. As I have been suffering from fever since morning, I shall not be able to attend the function you are going to organize this evening. 13. She wishes that she has studied literature instead of history when she was in college. Has की जगह had का प्रयोग होगा. She wishes that she had studied literature instead of history when she was in college. 14. Much water has flown under the bridge since then. Has flown की जगह has flowed का प्रयोग होगा. Fly का अर्थ उड़न होता है तथा इसका past participle form flown होता है, जबकि flow का अर्थ बहना होता है तथा इसका past participle form flowed होता है. अतः given sentence के अर्थ के लिए has flowed उपयुक्त है. Much water has flowed under the bridge since then. 15. I do not wish to raise false hopes. Rise की जगह raise का प्रयोग होगा. Rise का अर्थ क्षितिज से ऊपर आ जाना, उठ बैठना, खड़ा हो जाना, पुनः जीवित होना, उन्नति करना, ऊपर की ओर जाना, सतह तक आना होता है, जबकि रेज का अर्थ खड़ा करना, बढ़ाना, निर्माण करना, सीधा खड़ा करना, उठाना, दिखलाई देना, उत्पन्न करना, उगाना, एकत्र करना, संचय करना होता है. I do not wish to raise false hopes. 16. The stranger asked the little girl what is her name. What is her name की जगह what her name was का प्रयोग होगा. The stranger asked the girl what her name was. 17. Apollo was worshipped as long as the Roman Empire had lasted. Answer. Had lasted की जगह lasted का प्रयोग होगा. Apollo was worshipped as long as the Roman Empire lasted. 18. I pretend as if I interested in the conversation, but really it was very boring. I interested की जगह I had been interested का प्रयोग होगा. I pretended as if I had been interested in the conversation, but really it was very boring. 19. The teacher remarked that they all had done it were very badly. Answer. Given sentence correct है. 20. The train is supposed to arrive at 10 a.m. yesterday, but it was an hour late. The train is supposed की जगह the train was supposed का प्रयोग होगा. The train was supposed to arrive at 10 a.m. yesterday, but it was an hour late. 21. Rajan told me that you had left the college a year before and looking for a job. And looking for a job की जगह and had been looking for a job का प्रयोग होगा. Rajan told me that you had left the college a year before and had been looking for a job. 22. He asked me if I am ill and I answered that I was not. If I am ill की जगह if I was ill का प्रयोग होगा. He asked me if I was ill and I answered that I was not. 23. India's independence had been the result of sacrifices of many patriots. Had been की जगह was का प्रयोग होगा. India's independence was the result of sacrifices of many patriots. 24. Yesterday Ramesh got the information that his father died in an accident while travelling in a car. Died की जगह had died का प्रयोग होगा. Yesterday Ramesh got the information that his father had died in an accident while travelling in a car. 25. He will certainly help you if you will ask him in a pleasant manner. Will ask की जगह ask का प्रयोग होगा. कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में इफ क्लॉज के साथ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का प्रयोग होता है. He will certainly help you if you will ask him in a pleasant manner. He will certainly help you if you ask him in a pleasant manner. Will ask की जगह ask का प्रयोग होगा. कंडीशनल सेंटेंस में if क्लॉज के साथ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस का प्रयोग होता है. Question 16 completed. Question 17. Find out the error part of these sentences. Number 1. I found this ring as I dig in the garden. It looks very old. I wonder whom it belongs to. Answer. I dig in the garden की जगह I was digging in the garden का प्रयोग होगा. I found this ring as I was digging in the garden. It looks very old. I wonder whom it belongs to. Number 2. The girls were playing outside the house, whereas the boys were sitting inside and played cards. And played cards की जगह and were playing cards का प्रयोग होगा. The girls were playing outside the house, whereas the boys were sitting inside and were playing cards. 3. Mohini washes all her clothes and cooks food for the family before she is going to the office. She is going to the office की जगह she goes to the office का प्रयोग होगा. Mohini washes all her clothes and cooks food for the family before she goes to the office. 4. I know nothing about chess because my games teacher also was not knowing nothing about it. Was not knowing की जगह knew का प्रयोग होगा. I know nothing about chess because my games teacher also knew nothing about it. 5. The discreet enquiry revealed that his involvement in the fraud cases have been more than what was first guessed. Have been की जगह had been का प्रयोग होगा. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज पास्ट टेंस में है, इसलिए सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज भी पास्ट टेंस में होगा. The discreet inquiry revealed that his involvement in the fraud cases had been more than what was first guessed. 6. If you had read the relevant literature carefully, you would have answered most of the questions correctly. Given sentence correct है. 7. Suresh Babu, who is living in this town since 1955, is a well-known scholar of history and a distinguished musician. Who is living की जगह who has been living का प्रयोग होगा. Suresh Babu, who has been living in this town since 1955, is a well-known scholar of history and a distinguished musician. 8. He hoped to finish the work in the last week, but in fact he could not. He hoped की जगह he had hoped का प्रयोग होगा. He had hoped to finish the work in the last week, but in fact he could not. 9. He could not cut the grass today because the handle of the machine has broken a few days ago. Has broken की जगह had broken का प्रयोग होगा. He could not cut the grass today because the handle of the machine had not broken a few days ago. 10. I have pleasure to certify that Shamim worked meritoriously for the last 3 years in our organization. Worked की जगह has been working का प्रयोग होगा. I have pleasure to certify that Shamim have been working meritoriously for the last 3 years in our organization. 11. The Department of Modern Indian Languages is running a course in comparative literature for the last 15 years. Is running की जगह has been running का प्रयोग होगा. The Department of Modern Indian Languages has been running a course in comparative literature for the last 15 years. 12. Had he followed the directions carefully, he would have felt better much quicker. Answer. Had he follow की जगह had he followed का प्रयोग होगा. Had he followed the directions carefully, he would have felt better much quicker. 13. Once he realized that he had committed a mistake, he admits it, corrected it without delay. He admits it की जगह he admitted it का प्रयोग होगा. Once he realized that he had committed a mistake, he admitted it, corrected it without delay. 14. He would not have written this letter if he would not have heard the news. If he would not have की जगह if he had not का प्रयोग होगा. एक ही sentences में wouldn't have 2 बार प्रयोग नहीं किया जा सकता है. यदि सेंटेंस में एक पार्ट में would का प्रयोग हो तो दूसरे पार्ट में had का प्रयोग होता है. He would not have written this letter if he had not have heard the news. 15. Sumitra appealed to the managing committee that she may be allowed to join the volunteer force. Answer. may की जगह might का प्रयोग होगा. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज का वर्ब अपील्ड पास्ट टेंस में है, इसलिए सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज का वर्ब may भी पास्ट टेंस में होगा. Sumitra appealed to the managing committee that she might be allowed to join the volunteer force. 16. If John had told me last Thursday, I will have given him the money, but now it is too late. I will have की जगह I would have का प्रयोग होगा. If John had told me last Thursday, I would have given him the money, but now it is too late. 17. No sooner did the train arrive at the station than the passengers rushed towards it. Arrived की जगह arrive का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि did के बाद हमेशा MV1 का प्रयोग होता है. No sooner did the train arrive at the station than the passengers rushed towards it. 18. On entering the room, she was found hanging from the ceiling. She was found hanging की जगह she was found hanged का प्रयोग होगा क्योंकि given sentence passive voice में है. On entering the room, she was found hanged from the ceiling. Page 181. 19. If I were in his shoes, I would die with shame. Answer. I would die की जगह I would have died का प्रयोग होगा. If I were in his shoes, I would have died with shame. 20. My friend did not see me for many years when I met him last week. My friend did not see me की जगह my friend had not seen me का प्रयोग होगा. My friend had not seen me for many years when I met him last week. 21. Why you don't told him and clarify all pending matters? Answer. When you don't told him की जगह why you don't tell him का प्रयोग होगा. don't के बाद MV1 का प्रयोग होता है, इसलिए यहाँ tell का प्रयोग होगा न कि told का. Why you don't tell him and clarify all pending matters? 22. He was extremely annoyed when I reported the matter to him and was fired me. Answer. And has fired me की जगह and fired me का प्रयोग होगा. Given sentence के principal clause में प्रयुक्त verb was extremely annoyed past tense में है, इसलिए subordinate clause के भाग 4 में past tense का प्रयोग होगा. He was extremely annoyed when I reported the matter to him and fired me. 23. He obtained good marks not only in English essay but also in arithmetic, which was full of complicated calculations. He obtained good marks की जगह he had obtained good marks का प्रयोग होगा. He had obtained good marks not only in English essay but also in arithmetic, which was full of complicated calculations. 24. As soon as the principal entered the school, all the students approached him and report the matter. Answer. And report the matter की जगह and had reported the matter का प्रयोग होगा. As soon as the principal entered the school, all the students approached him and had reported the matter. 25. The program which came on television these days in the evenings is very interesting. Answer. Came on television की जगह comes on television का प्रयोग होगा. The program which comes on television these days in the evenings is very interesting. Question 17 completed. Practice set completed. Chapter 10 Time and Tense completed. Page 182. In this page, the answers of the questions have been given, which have been read with the questions simultaneously. Page 183. Answers completed. Page 184.